Hi, in my last video I have shown you how to create user survey forms from Google Forms. Whenever any user submits his response by filling out the forms, all the responses of the users get accumulated or collected in the response tab that you see here. So here you are seeing the summary which shows the user name and the question that has been filled up by the user. As the number of responses from the users that keeps on growing, looking at this response tab might not be an easier view. In this video, I will show you how to link Google Forms with Google Sheets. Now, why do I want to link Google Forms with Google Sheets? Basically, to understand, Google Sheets is a spreadsheet which is offered by Google as a web-based service. Google Sheets allows users to create and edit files online while collaborating with other users in real time. Whereas these edits are tracked by the user with a revision history presenting the changes done. If you would want to understand how to create Google Forms at the first step, please watch the video that you are able to see at the I link at the top. If you are already aware of how to create Google Forms and now you want to understand how to link Google Forms with the Google Sheets, then let's get started. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Firstly, let me go to the Google Drive where I have saved my user form. And let me try to open the Google form that I have saved in my Google Drive. So here you will see the user survey form which I have created using Google. So now while this opens up in the Google Chrome browser, so this is how the user survey Google form looks like. And in the responses tab, you will see one of the responses in the summary. This is how it looks like. Now, if I want to link this Google form with the Google Sheets, you will see a green icon at the responses option here. Click on that. Once you click on that, it asks you whether you want to create a new spreadsheet with the file name that is here, or if you are already having an existing spreadsheet, you could also select this one. So right now I do not have any spreadsheet, so I will go with the first option that is available here and then click on create button that you see at the top right hand here. Once you click on that, now it opens up that a spreadsheet is already linked here. So let me try to open that Google spreadsheet that is linked with this Google form by going to the browser again. So now this is how the Google spreadsheet or the Google sheet that looks like with each of the responses. So each of the users' responses would be tabulated in a table form here. So you will see the first response with the timestamp and the questionnaires filled by the user here. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you to understand how to link Google Forms with Google Sheets. Whereas Google Sheets would be very advantageous to look at each of the users' responses in a tabular form. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.